Open Notepad. Type the following batch script in Notepad. This is the document that we want to rename. Copy the location of the document. Paste the location of the document that you want to rename. Put slash after the location. Copy the name of the document that you want to rename. Paste it in your batch script. Copy the extension of the document that you want to rename. Paste it after the name of the document in your batch script. Put the name that you want to rename your document. Put the extension of the document. This is the name of the document that we want to rename. Let's save our batch script. Put .bat at the end of the name. Let's rename the document by open our batch file. Our batch file renamed the document successfully. This is the name that we use in renaming our document.